Hey, do you want to learn how to use Discord Orbs? It's going to be a full step-by-step guide. So I'm going to show you how to use it and how to earn these Discord Orbs. You can basically get free Nitro badges and a lot more with Discord Orbs. So this is an article that was published on July 14th by Clyde on Discord itself. So you can check it out. I'll put the link in the description so you can go through that. Now I'm going to show you on Discord. You need to first go over here in Discover and then go over to Quests. Here you're going to find Quests. So I think these are the two quests that are available at the time of making this video. This will get you 700 Discord Orbs, and this one is going to get you 150 Discord Orbs. And you can see this is the date that this quest is going to be over at. So I'm going to click here on Start Video Quest. Now it's going to say, wait, are you human? I am human. Then you need to click on play. You need to sit through the video. You cannot just close the window or something. You're not going to get a reward. You do need to play it and you need to sit through it. So let's click here on play. And you can see the progress on the top right. So this is completed. And that's it. Now I can claim my reward by clicking on this button. And there you go. All right. Yeah, I'm human. And it's going to say your orbs balance is now 150. Great. And you can see on the top right, this is my orbs balance. I can click here and go to shop as well. There is one more over here. All right, the video is done and I can click on claim reward to get my 700 rewards as well. There you go. Now my total balance is 850 and I can click on explore the shop to go to the shop. I can also click on this top right to see my balance and open the shop as well. You can also open the shop by going over here on the top left. Click on this direct messages, then click on shop to get to the shop. Now on it, you can click here on Orbs exclusive to see all the items that you can get with the Orbs. Like I can get the Orbs apprentice badge for 120. I've got 850, so I can get one of these. You can get 3-day Nitro credit as well, but you do need 1400 Orbs. So yeah, I'm definitely going to get the Orbs Apprentice badge. I'm going to click here and click on Claim with Orbs. And that's it. You collected the Orbs profile badge. View my badge, and then it's going to show up over here. You can see the Apprentice badge. That's great. Now, if I scroll down, I'm going to find all the other stuff that you can buy with Orbs. And if I scroll down, I'm going to find bundles as well. There's shop, the whole shop as well, but be sure that you cannot buy everything with Orbs. So I can go here on shop. And over here, let's say this is the new one. This is Fantastic Four. I would not be able to get it with Orbs. You need to pay the real money for it. But on the right hand side, you can see in filters, there's show only Orbs eligible. I can click on it. And now I'm only going to see the stuff that can be bought with Orbs. Yeah, that's it. I've explained what Orbs do and how to get them. I'm also going to paste the link in the description to the blog post so you can check it out yourself as well. I hope this video helped solve the problem. If it did, let me know with a like and comment. And on the right hand side, you're going to find more Discord related tutorials. So see you there and bye for now.